In this video, we'll be installing this front Ford emblem on this 1996 Ford F-150. Now right across the top of your grille here, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Ours doesn't have those. Somebody's actually put in a few 1/4-inch screws here. So we're going to head and remove these 1/4-inch screws. Now when you get your screws removed, your grille will want to lean forward just a little bit. If you find the center latch here, follow it down, find your Ford emblem. Directly under that, in that vent hole, there'll be another screw holding your grille in place. We'll remove that. So now again, directly under your Ford emblem, right in here in the center of this vent, you'll see one more screw. Ours again isn't factory, ours is a 1/4-inch. You'd go ahead and remove that now. And now at this point you should be able to work your grille right off the front of your vehicle. Now with our grille flipped over, we're going to get to the back of our emblem. It can be held in by two 10mm nuts. And now we can push our emblem out the front. And remove our emblem. Now to install your new emblem, it's going to come with this blue tape on it. It's also going to be double-sided tape on the back. So we're going to pull that off and expose the double-sided tape. We're going to line up our 3 holes and push right in. So because there are no nuts holding down your emblem on the back side, it's going to be held in place with that double stick tape. So you're going to want to push this down to get a good stick on that double-sided tape. I'm going to push down for about 30 seconds. So down here in the bottom of where your grille sets, you'll have a couple of open tabs, one on each side. Your grille has a couple of matching tabs, one on each side. You should also have some rubber isolators. It'll stop your grille from rattling around in there, hard plastic on hard plastic, making noise. You'll notice that the isolator has a little notch in it. That notch is going to go to the front of your grille. Once you have those in place, you're going to rotate your grille right into those openings or those tabs, and then slide your grille forward and onto your top lip here. Once you have that in place, we did find some matching screws. We can go ahead now and tighten down our grille. We'll put all 4 screws in place, start these by hand, and come back and tighten them down. We have 4 across the top and then 1 down underneath our emblem.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.